What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Dr. Mech Car channel. Today what I'm going to do is polish my black color 2012 Toyota Camry. As you can see, the vehicle is extremely filthy. It's not been detailed for a very long time. So today I'm going to show you how you can get your black car as shiny as possible, and you're going to see what awesome results I'm going to get from it. This is just to show you a bit more of how dirty the vehicle is. It's not been detailed for a year and it's not been washed for about 6 months. Alright, there you go. This is a bit of a better view for you. And there you can see there's water spots all over the car. What my plans are for today is to give the car a wash. Probably a Claybar. I'll determine how the paintwork is after I give it a good wash down. Then if I'm going to do a Claybar, I'm going to show you how this is going to be done. Without further ado, I'm going to start the car washing, and you can also see how dirty it is right here. Alright guys, so for the body of the vehicle, I'm going to use the Chemical Guys Bass Claw. The car wash soap I'm using today is the Turtle Wax Snow Foam Wash. This is quite good. If you want to use it in your pressure washer, you can just put this inside a snow foam bottle and it'll foam up the car quite nice, and that can reduce swirls and scratches as well. Alright guys, I'm just going to spray down the car and then I'll get back to you. Alright guys, if you want to know how to do a perfect car wash, then I will also put a link in the description to one of my videos. But today I'm going to show you how to make the paintwork, which looks like this, look perfect. So the first thing I want to do is, because the car's been parked outside, I'm going to pop the bonnet, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear all of the dust and the leaves from here, because once it gets caught on your wash mitt, you're going to spread lots of swirls and scratches all over the place. Alright, so now I'm going to start off with the roof first. Alright guys, the car has now been given a good wash, but as you can see there are water spots all over the paintwork, and when you rub it you can feel a lot of abrasives on it. It almost feels like very light sandpaper. So coming down to the side of the vehicle, as you can see here, there's also some remnants of it, but the worst part is the bonnet, the roof, and the boot as well. So what I'm going to do, before I start polishing, I am going to Claybar the vehicle. So I'm just going to get my Claybar right now. Alright guys, so I've needed this bit of Claybar. So if you want a full in-depth video on how to use a Claybar and the unboxing of a Claybar, I have that in another video, which will also be in the description section. I'll add a link. So now, usually it does come with some car detailer. I have a bit of speed spray wax right here. So I'm just going to use this because I'm going to polish it down anyway. As you can see, all these bits of junk on the paintwork. So I'm just going to spray it down and spray it on the bar. As you can see, it's perfectly clear. I'm going to rub it down like so until you feel it start to get quite smooth. And be liberal with it. And we're just going to go straight forwards and backwards, and let's see if it's made any difference on the other end. Okay, as you can see, it has gotten a bit dirtier. I'm just going to do more of the bonnet and then we'll soon look at the results. Okay guys, as you can see, there's already quite an improvement on the bonnet, and that is the Claybar now. Alright, I'm going to show it closer to the camera. This is the side which I did the car with, and that was how it originally looked. As you can see, feels as smooth as glass now. Alright guys, so I've done the top of the roof. Now you can see it's made quite a noticeable difference. It feels as smooth as glass, but this doesn't mean that it's been polished. All it's doing is preparing the paintwork for it to be polished. Alright guys, so now I've got the dual action polisher right here. And this is my 5.5 inch pad. This is the Chemical Guys more heavy cut pad. And this 5.5 inch going on to a 5 inch backing plate. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is leave it on speed number 1. Okay. And this is the Menzerna one-step polish which I'm going to use. It's a cut, gloss and a wax. I've thoroughly shook the product. Okay, perfect. So now I'm just going to do 3 dots. Place the pad down. The pad is heavy by itself. It's about 2.3 kilos. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it on speed 1 just to spread the polish first. Alright, so on the first go you'll need to use a bit more polish because you want to prime the pad. When I mean prime, you want to soak up the pad so that it gets even pressure and even distribution on the paintwork. As you can see, once the pad starts getting wet or moist, then on the following passes you'll just need a few small dots. I'm just going to put it now on speed number 5. What you want to do is you want to go in a 50-50 pass. So the first 100% you do will be here, and then the next pass will be 50% over the last pass, like so. Now I'm just going to leave it to dry and then I'm going to get back to you. Okay guys, so as you can see, there is definitely a noticeable difference. Now this paintwork is by no means perfect. This car has been used a lot every day and it's a perfect, nice car, but unfortunately because it's parked outside, it does bear the brunt of the elements of the weather. So that's why it's not perfect paint, but I can definitely tell that there is such a huge difference from just now when I started polishing. Now we're going to go on the other side of the bonnet and we're going to see the difference. Now you can see all the water spots have actually come out on this end. Now these are all just from the stone chips before, but you can see that there's still water spots right here which didn't even come out with the Claybar. Alright guys, as you can see that this side of the roof has been done, and there's a line right here where you can see the difference. Over here you can see water spots and maybe some industrial fallout, sort of like from construction nearby. So it actually caked onto the paint. Now after I give it a polish, you'll see the difference. It'll look just like the other side. The other side just looked like this side. So I'll do the car and then I'll get back to you. Alright guys, there you have it. The car has now been completely polished and I can see that the results are fantastic. The paintwork isn't the greatest, but having said that, the car is used every day and it does really well. But the paintwork isn't perfect, but I can say that that's quite a massive difference. And you can actually see my reflection, and you can actually see the reflection of the house and the fence right in the background. So that itself shows you how good the polish work is. I went over with the orange pad and the white color pad. For you guys, you can actually use the finishing pad just to top it off if you'd like. But this in itself is fantastic. Take a look at the boot, where earlier there was a lot of water spots, and now it's pretty good. Alright, let's come down to this section. Now you can see more reflection here, so you can see how good it is. There you go. It took me approximately 2.5 hours to do the whole car, for the polishing part and the clay barring part. And as you can see, what a fantastic result it is. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post a lot of how-to videos, including how to maintain your own cars. There's lots of useful videos, please check them out. I also do latest reviews on car care products, and like this Menzerna German product, you can see what a fantastic product it is. So please check out my channel. It's got mechanical stuff and reviews of car care products and DIY how to polish your car products. So please consider hitting that subscribe button, like button, and also share it with your friends.